Ayush, what is formula for omega square if two velocity and two displacements are given?
v1 square minus v2 square upon x2 square minus x1 square.
Now suppose we want amplitude, then what you will do? Two velocity given, two displacement given. I want amplitude. What should I do? Hello?
So displacement and amplitude.
I want amplitude, two velocity, two displacement given. So you'll get omega square first.
Yes, sir.
Then how to find amplitude?
Omega square is.
See, omega square to will calculate the formula which you told from that.
A square minus x1 square.
No, then you put v1 square is omega square, a square minus x1 square. In this formula, value of omega square, you will get a square.
Okay.
Now, if there are three springs, which I did one sum yesterday, three springs, then how to find the time period of oscillation? Net force will be K by, that means restoring force acting in one, other one will have restoring force F cos 45, where F will become K by cos 45 into cos 45. Are you remembering this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open the PDF of waves and oscillation. Last class we did till which sum?
36.
36. Today any test I have told?
No, sir.
Tomorrow I have
Tomorrow,
told?
sir.
Tomorrow from 1 to 50. Okay. 1 to 50 from this sheet only. 1 to 50. So practice is 2 to 3 times so that nothing goes wrong. Now you told we have done till some number 36.
Yes, sir.
37. Can you suggest me if A sine omega t minus kx hello? Hello? Yes, madam. Okay, madam. Yeah, we can. But she will be continuing with CBSC or she will be joining state board, madam? Acha. Because two batches are different. Na? Those who are joining 11-12 CBSC batch will be different. Those who are joining state board, the batch will be different. Hello, yeah, acha. So she can like Sunday I will start the batch for her. I can give you a call. I can hear. You can hear me? Yes. Madam, see, Sunday, she has missed around 2 lectures. So Sunday I will start lecture for her because one batch I have started. For them I am giving holiday from 15th. So what I will do, like in 2 lectures, I will just 3 days lecture got over. So in 2 days I will, yeah. I will call on your, that is okay. You call on my mobile, na, madam? Yeah. Okay. See if A sine omega t minus kx is one displacement. So what will be second if resultant is A sine 2 pi x upon lambda cos omega t, and if A cos 2 pi x upon lambda cos omega t. Tell me both. Are you remembering this? If we are getting sine in x term, then this will be minus A sine of omega t plus kx. Okay. And if it is with cosine, then everything same. It will become plus a sine omega t plus kx. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
ये कल कराया था. So I am keeping that 50-50 ka test only so that you practice 2-3 times and remember each and every sums ka concept or logic behind that, or sometimes answer also. Now come to sum number 37. A particle performs SHM with amplitude of 2 centimeter. Amplitude of 2 centimeter. When the particle is at 1 centimeter from mean, 1 centimeter from mean, velocity is equals to acceleration. Find the time period. Take 2 minutes, try this. Hello? Yes, madam. Yeah. So Sunday we can start with lecture for her. Lecture will be 3 days in a week. That will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Friday, Sunday will be test for them. And time will be, right now we are having 10 to 11. But after 1 week it will become 9:30 to 11. 11, yeah. And Sunday test. Yeah. Yeah. Fees is madam 110, which you can pay in 3 installments, 40, 40, 30. 40 is at the time of admission, remaining 40 in October, 30 in January. Yeah. No, for entire 2 years till the course gets completed. Yeah. This includes 11th, 12th NEET preparation with test. Yeah. And I got it, no problem. So for her maths part, I will get it done separately. So those who are PCB student not joining maths, for them I will take even some 4-5 lectures of maths so that they understand. I take physics, yes, yeah, I take physics. No, I take only physics. This is maths. Whatever it is useful in physics, that I will take. Yeah. Because few students they don't take maths, no? So for practicing physics, they require some part of maths. No problem. I'm at Konark Darshan building. Today I'm not there, madam. Yeah, because we are conducting the lecture online, so from our residence we are conducting. But my staff is there. If you have to pay the fees by cash, you can go there. If you are paying by check or GPay, I can send the details. Ah, ah, ah. See, I will just tell you, madam. See, in tuitions we have just 20-25 students in a batch. Second, if the child is and single teacher teaching entire subject topics. So unless and until I complete first chapter, I will not go to second. And second, we can have lot of doubt solvings because the same teacher is teaching. So we did not call any staff and check whether teacher is there or not. We will discuss in the class itself. If any child wants any doubt solving session, we can keep. And that it is like when we say classes will be stepmotherly treatment, and this is like our own child. This is how it is. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Okay. See, no. See, madam, no. It's not like that because I do understand every child has his or her limitations. So, and everybody is intelligent that I have understood. Only they require proper direction. Yes. So, whatever you have asked, my staff will also say the same thing. Even if you don't get, it's okay. Only for paying cash fees, if you want, you can go. Otherwise, no need to take trouble. And if you are paying by check or by GPay, as I said, I will send my details. And Sunday is the lecture for the 12 o'clock, 12 to 1. So this number is your WhatsApp number, madam? Okay. Thank you. Hello, sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, anybody got the answer? Yes, anybody got the answer? See, this is condition given. Velocity is equal to acceleration. So I start with that. Velocity equal to acceleration. What is velocity formula? Tell. Yes, what is velocity formula? In SHM, what is velocity?
Omega root a square.
Yes, a square minus x square. No rocket science. And a is what? Omega square x. Na? So 1 omega I can cancel. A is 2. X is 1. Omega I don't know. X is 1. What is root of 4 minus 1? Root 3 equals to omega. And what is omega? 2 pi by time period. So time period is 2 pi by root 2 pi by root 3, option C. Anybody got the answer earlier? 2 pi by root 3? If then please say we have to move fast. Or don't be so slow. आयुष,
Yes, sir.
थर्मल एक्सपेंशन का लेक्चर चाहिए क्या? डिस्कस करने के लिए सब आंसर कुछ रॉन्ग हो गया ना ज्यादा?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं कल आपको कल हम लोग बैठ के एक टाइम टेबल सोचते हैं कब रखना है एक्चुअली.
Okay.
Shall I clear this now? 37. Hello.
Yes, sir.
38. x1 equals to a sine omega t minus 0.1 x, and x2 is a sine omega t minus 0.1 x minus 5 by 2. Whenever this comes, see this angle and this angle are same, na? इसमें एक extra आ गया ना 5 by 2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is called phase difference. So phase difference is first वाले का angle, second वाले का angle का difference. Is it 5 by 2? Phase difference then? Hello.
Yes, sir.
अगर दोनों साइन नहीं होगा ना, एक साइन वन कॉस, then difference plus 90 is phase difference. So I want resultant amplitude of combined wave, phase difference is 5 by 2. Do you know formula of resultant amplitude? A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 A1 A2 cos of phase difference, delta 1 minus delta 2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is like A square plus 2AA cos of 5 by 2 in root. Then this will become root A square is 2A square plus 2A square into cos of 5 by 2. 2A square into 1 plus cos 5 by 2 in root. That will be A square, A outside, 2A square into 1 plus cos 5 by 2. What is 1 plus cos 5 by 2? Any formula anybody knows? 1 plus cos 5 by 2? Hello? 1 plus cos 5 by 2. Anybody knows formula? अरे हाँ या ना, कुछ तो बोलो. Just copy this much first. Copy this much, then I'm explaining you formula for cos 2a. Completed? Till this completed?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is cos of 2 theta का formula? Basic is cos square theta minus sin square theta. At least this much you remember. Then we want answer in cos. Cos 2 theta will become cos square theta minus, this is 1 minus cos square theta. So I can say cos 2 theta minus minus plus will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Okay. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
मतलब क्या हो गया देखो, 1 plus cos 2 theta एंगल हो गया थीटा और इधर 2 आ गया. So what we got our formula as, was it 2a square 1 plus cos theta? Yes, was it 1 plus cos theta? Hello, was it 1 plus
Yes,
cos?
sir.
So it will become 2a square 1 plus cos theta will be 2 into cos square theta का theta by 2. Okay, नहीं वो theta by 2 था ना, theta by 2, तो इधर हो जाएगा theta square by 4, हाफ हो जाता है theta by 2 उसका हाफ theta by 4. Now 2 का square root 2 a square का a cos of theta by 4 is the required answer. Anybody who has not followed? Yes, you have followed. Ayush, Aniket, Tasman,
Yes, sir.
Jennifer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
please do it.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it properly. And please be slightly faster.
Done, sir.
39. Apparent frequency of note. Apparent मतलब जो हम लोग को सुनाई देता है. Apparent is 200 hertz. When listener is moving with velocity of 40 meter per second, listener is moving with velocity of 40 towards a stationary source. Source is at rest. When he moves away from the same source, when moves away from same source, the apparent frequency becomes 160. Then what is velocity of sound in air? VV1. Listener is moving. What to adjust? याद है क्या? What to adjust? Numerator. Listener is moving. What will adjust? Hello, what to adjust?
Numerator.
So coming closer, frequency will increase or decrease? Coming closer, frequency will increase or decrease?
In
Coming closer, frequency will increase or decrease?
increase.
Increase. So apparent frequency is actual frequency, V plus U upon V. First equation. When moving away, then it will decrease. Second equation. Now if I divide first with second, then I will get 200 upon 160 and then will get cancelled V plus U upon V minus. Now I'm doing componendo and dividendo. 200 plus 160 200 minus 160 will become 2v upon 2u. If you don't know this, then directly cross multiply. This will become 360 upon 40 equals to v upon u is 40. Alas, v is 360. This is the answer. Option C. Yes, who has not followed this sum? Everybody has followed again.
Yes, sir.
Remember what to adjust. So when source moving, denominator, listener moving, numerator, both moving, then both you have to adjust as per the given condition.
Done, sir.
Very beautiful song. Very important one. Damped oscillation. When oscillator completes 100 oscillation, its amplitude is reduced to 1/3. Amplitude is reduced to 1/3 of original when it completes 100 oscillation. What will be the amplitude when it completes 200 oscillation? What is formula for amplitude? Are you remember? In damped oscillation, are you remembering? वो क्या आया था? X equals to AE minus BT upon 2m sine omega t plus cos of omega t plus or minus 5. Are you remembering this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये अपना resultant amplitude. That telling 100 oscillation becomes 1/3. Then 200 oscillation, it will become how much? This is the question. A means original amplitude, which I have denoted as A0. Vt upon 2 omega. Please copy this much, then I am writing the equation to give you the required answer. Very beautiful, sir. Vt upon 2. What is time taken for 100 oscillation? Can I say 100 t? And for 200 oscillation, 200 into t. एक oscillation का time is time period. So 100 oscillation 100 t, 200 oscillation 200.
Done, sir.
So it becomes like this. A amplitude at any instant A1 is A e raised to minus Bt upon 2m. This is suppose A not starting one. So this is 1/3 of A0 is A naught e raised to minus B times T1 upon 2m. Next one it becomes how much they are saying? Second it becomes how much? 1/9? Hello? Second time it is 1/9? Hello?
Yes, sir.
First wala B TM, this is 100. Second case, what will be the amplitude? 1/9 here. We have to find amplitude when time becomes. So new amplitude is A0 e raised to minus B T2 upon 2m. So A naught e raised to minus B 2m. This is given 200. So this is A2 equals to A0 e raised to minus B upon 2m into 100 into power 2 so that it becomes 200. So now this is A naught and this we calculated from first 1 upon 3 square. So nu will become A0 by 9. Therefore amplitude is 1/9. Very, very important sum. Option D. Amplitude becomes 1/9. संतोष मेजरमेंट का कुछ डेली टेस्ट वन है क्या अपने पास 11th का मेजरमेंट डेली टेस्ट वन देखो अगर आदमी डेली टेस्ट वन और कौन सा होता है यार तो उल्टा चीज क्यों पूछते हो क्लास टेस्ट मतलब कौन सा टेस्ट वही तो टेस्ट होता है ना और कौन सा डेली टेस्ट होगा 11th का है तो देखो नहीं तो मुझे लिख के देना पड़ेगा है तो एक बार भेजो
Done, sir.
41 an organ pipe closed at 1 is excited to support the third overflow. What is meaning of overflow? Ayush, एकदम simple meaning of overflow. Hello, Ayush.
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of overflow? I told you remember like this: number of extra node as compared to basic mode. That is called overflow. So basic is one node and one entity node. ये fundamental है, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
वो लोग ने क्या बोला है? थर्ड ओवरफ्लो ना?
Yes.
तो 3 नोड एक्स्ट्रा आना चाहिए ना इधर? नोड तभी थर्ड ओवरटोन होएगा.
Yes, sir.
So this is एंटी नोड, this is नोड. एवरी नोड के बीच में एक एंटी नोड भी आना चाहिए ना?
Yes.
So count how many node, how many NT node? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 NT node and 4 node. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
See, again I am explaining. Basic has 1 NT node and 1 node. 3 ओवरटोन बोला है तो 3 एक्स्ट्रा नोड आ गया इधर बीच में, एंड एवरी नोड का बीच में देयर इज एंटी नोड. सो नोड 1 2 3 4 अभी एंटी नोड 1 इधर एक रहेगा, 2 इधर एक रहेगा, 3 इधर एक रहेगा, 4. तो 4 एंटी नोड 4 नोड. अगेन ऑप्शन डी.
Done, sir.
That's it. 42. A mass is suspended from the spring in successive order, then periodic time T2, T1 respectively, if it is connected to both springs simultaneously as shown in the figure, then time period T0 correct relations. The mass is suspended separately by two springs in successive order, then time period are T1, T2. लेकिन साथ में कर दिया तो T0 correct relation is what? ये अकेला, then T1, K1, M. T2, K2, M. साथ में, then T0 we have to find. So first, what is T1? Is it 2 pi root of K1 by M? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And T2 square will become 4 pi square upon M, K2 into M. These two are parallel or series?
Parallel.
So it will become 2 naught square is 4 pi square upon M, K1 plus K2. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I can write T naught square is 4 pi square upon M, K1 is T1 square into M upon 4 pi square, and K2 is T2 square upon 4 pi square. M 4 pi square you can cancel throughout. Therefore, we get T naught square is T1 square plus T2 square. This is the answer. T naught square is T1 square plus T2 square. Option A.
Done, sir.
point mass oscillate along x-axis according to the law x equals to x0 cos of omega t minus pi by 4. The acceleration of particle is written as a equals to a cos omega t plus delta. Then what is a and what is delta they want? Acceleration of particle is written by a cos omega t plus delta. Then what is a and what is delta? Again important. What is acceleration formula?
Sorry.
Pardon?
Omega.
Omega square x, correct? Omega square x is perfectly right. So omega square x means this, na? X naught cos of omega t minus pi by 4 और इधर minus आता है ना actually.
Yes.
So if you compare, what will be a? अभी देखो ये माइनस को मैं अंदर लेके जाता हूँ. So this will become omega square x cos of omega t minus pi by 4. Now to arrange in the form of positive a. That means omega square x naught minus of cos. What is cos of minus theta? Yeah. Cos of minus theta?
Cost.
Yes, cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta only. So ये माइनस को अंदर लेके जाते हैं और माइनस कॉस, ये माइनस कॉस कभी आएगा जब ये अंदर कितना रहना चाहिए, ये माइनस आया बाहर ना. सो कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस नेगेटिव होगा? वी वांट आंसर इन कॉस ओनली. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट या सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट या फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट?
Second and third.
तो फर्स्ट वाला हो गया कॉस ऑफ पाई माइनस आने के लिए. तो इसको अगर मैं पाई माइनस ओमेगा टी पाई प्लस ओमेगा टी माइनस पाई बाई 4 रखो, ऑल सिल्वर टी कप. तो कॉस ऑफ पाई प्लस ओमेगा टी माइनस पाई बाई 4. Pi plus theta is in third quadrant. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Third quadrant, all silver T cup, it will remain cos as negative. So this will become, now it is comparable with this. Omega square x naught cos of omega t, because I want omega t ka format. Pi minus pi by 4 will become plus 3 pi by 4. So now by comparing, can you tell a equals to nothing but omega square x and delta is 3 pi by 4? I hope you all followed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So correct answer is A option. Difficult है ये थोड़ा, because trigonometric आ गया.
Done.
Done, sir.
The displacement of wave traveling in a wire is given by y is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 sine of 600t minus 2x plus 5 by 4. 5 by the speed of wave motion is speed of wave चाहिए आपको बताते हैं स्पीड ऑफ वेव क्या रहता है
Omega by k.
ओमेगा बाई के व्हाट इज ओमेगा
600.
t का कोएफिशिएंट एंड व्हाट इज k x का कोएफिशिएंट 2 तो हो गया 300 खत्म ये आंसर है x coefficient is always k t coefficient is always omega so I got answer in one line
Done.
the displacement y of wave travel the amplitude of wave disturbance propagating in positive x direction is 1 upon 1 plus x square at t equal to 0 1 upon x plus 1 y square at t equals to 2 this is also again very important where x and y are in meter shape of wave disturbance does not change during the propagation what is velocity of the wave at t equals to 0 y is given by two formula 0 and 2 and wave is not changing then what is the correct formula for velocity of the wave wave y is also given as y equals to 1 upon 1 plus x minus bt the whole square. This is one formula. Why we can write in terms of x like this. Now if I compare this t equals to 0, y will become 1, x minus t into 0. That is 1 upon 1 plus x square, first equation. And in second, 1 upon 1 plus x minus bt if I take, that means bt equals to 1. So v into 2 is 1. Therefore v equal to half. So v equal to 0.5 meter per second. That formula is important. 1 plus x minus bt square. Write it 2-3 times. Once you get time, 1 upon 1 plus x minus bt square. 1 upon 1 plus x minus bt square.
सर इसका डेरिवेशन है क्या कोई?
हेलो,
हेलो,
आपके लेवल पे नहीं है, इसको खाली याद रखना.
Done, sir.
Okay. few things का ना definition means कुछ assumption होते हैं that we don't know at this stage, therefore it is not there. So that's why you have to remember. Actually JEE का question है. Sum number 46. Starting from origin, body performs SHM with period of 2 seconds. After what time? After what time? Kinetic energy will be 75% of total energy. Half m omega square a square minus x square. 75% will become 25 into 3, 25 to 4. Half m omega square a square. Half m omega square. Half m omega square cancel. So a square minus x square is 3/4 a square. Therefore x square will become 1/4 of a square. X is half of a. That is a sine omega t is half of a omega t. What is sine inverse of half? Sine inverse half?
30.
30 in radian.
5/6.
5/6. So 2 pi by time period into t is 5/6. 5 by cancel. Therefore, t equals to time t equals to t by 12. T by 12 means 2 by 12. 1/6. Solve.
Done, sir.
A vertical mass spring system performs SHM with period of 2 seconds. A quantity of this system which performs SHM variation with period of 1 second is. So which quantity performs period of 1 second? See, we know kinetic energy, potential energy has frequency 2 times n in oscillation. Time period is half. Frequency double, time period half. Kinetic and potential half. So quantity of the system which performs with a period of 1 second will be velocity, phase difference, difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. Which one is correct? So I feel potential energy and also difference in potential and kinetic. Difference between kinetic and potential energy. No. B is the correct option. Kinetic, potential का frequency अगर if displacement is n, then kinetic and potential has frequency 2n. So time period half हो जाता है. That is nothing but potential energy or kinetic. If potential not given, then I would have written D. Their difference will also have same time period.
Done, sir.
48. Which of the following statement is wrong? In an open pipe, fundamental frequency is V upon 2L. In an open pipe, fundamental frequency is V upon 2L is right. In a closed pipe, closed end is displacement node. Displacement node. See, displacement node means pressure anti-node. ये meaning होता है. Pressure सबसे ज़्यादा उधर node. And displacement anti-node is pressure node. So closed end is displacement node is also correct. In open pipe, only odd harmonics are present. That is wrong. So C is the answer. C.
Done, sir.
Which of the following linear displacement, linear density is 10 raised to minus 4. Transverse wave is propagating, which is described by formula 0.02 sine of x plus 30t. Then what is tension in the string? If I find velocity of wave, I can get tension. One formula is root of omega by k, other is t by m. T we have to calculate, m is 10 raised to minus 4. Omega is t ka coefficient, which is 30. K is x ka coefficient, which is 1. So when I square, it will become 900. So tension is 9 into 10 raised to minus 2, which is 0.09 Newton, option A. Copy 49.
Done, sir.
Two tuning fork A and B, when sounded together, are giving 5 beats. Frequency of P is 512, so this will be 512 plus or minus 4. It is seen that when A is 5, the number of beats increases. Yes, matlab larger is correct. So frequency of A will be 516. Have you followed? फाइल किया तो फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ता है, बीट फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ा तो लार्जर करेक्ट, बताया था उस दिन.
Yes, sir.
So 512, अच्छा 5 है क्या, plus or minus 5, so 517 is the answer. 517. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we stop here. Tomorrow I will complete another 25.